In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all unread emails in Gmail at once. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, click into the search mail bar at the top of the page. Type is unread and press enter on your keyboard. Gmail will now display all unread emails across your account. If the option appears, ensure the filter is set to most recent so you can see the latest unread messages first. Next, click the select checkbox in the top left corner of the toolbar. This will select the unread emails currently visible on the page. After doing that, click the blue text link at the top of the list that says select all conversations that match this search. This step is important because it selects every unread email in your account, not just the first 50 shown on the current page. Once all unread emails are selected, click the delete icon, which looks like a trash can, in the top toolbar. A confirmation pop-up window will appear. Click OK to confirm the bulk deletion. Wait for the confirmation message at the bottom left corner of the screen to make sure the process is complete. All unread emails will now be moved to the trash folder. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations!